Hello, my name is Quincy. I'm a third year civil engineering student, and welcome to my College Diaries Season 3.
What the dog doing?
Wednesday, January 4th. Hello everyone, I just wanna have a quick story time lang. Last semester kasi I have this one major subject na really heavy talaga. So, one major subject pa lang yun and I'm traumatized kung gaano siya kahirap and gaano siya ka-heavy. And ngayong second sem is meron akong 7 major subjects which is super busy and super bigat lahat. Kaya I don't know paano ko siya i-handle and i-juggle this semester. And meron rin akong tatlong 7 a.m. classes. So, quick update lang. Itong mga clips na to is from January pa and March 27 na ngayon ko lang i-edit which is ganun ka-busy yung schedule ko. And meron yun yung time na hindi ako nakakauwi sa province, like sa dorm lang ako every weekend na hindi lumalabas and nagre-review lang. So, I just wanna share my experiences and I just wanna film and edit lang talaga itong mga clips na to para naman may ma-look back ako para sa future na ay nakaya ko pala. So yun lang and I just wanna share. Hello everyone, today is my first day of second semester. I'm about to just head out to go to school because my first class is at 7 a.m. and it's already 7, so we're gonna go. Hello guys! Today is Wednesday, January 14 and it's 9 a.m. Ang class ko ngayon is supposedly hydraulics but imimit na lang daw kami next week since first week of second sem pa lang naman and medyo busy pa sa pag-enroll and stuff like that. Kaya next week na lang daw kami imi-meet. So, wala ring kuryente, may power interruption dito, so there's no wifi and all. Kaya I decided to advance study na lang yung subject ko ngayon, which is hydraulics, and yun yung gagawin ko ngayon. And later in the afternoon is my next sub kami, which is yung subject din namin kaninang 7 a.m. Pero wala siya, so hindi na kami magmi-meet. I think kasi wala naman siya kaninang 7 a.m. namin. Kaya wala akong klase this day. So, I changed into my pajamas na kasi wala naman akong pupuntahan and I thought talaga papasok ako kanina and nag-blanket na rin ako kasi super lamig and ang sarap humiga but I'm still studying hydraulics. Hello everyone! Today is Thursday, January 22 and it's 3:46 p.m. and I have a lot of things na kailangang aralin. I have two upcoming quizzes next week and for the next weekend is magiging busy ako kaya I need to start now. Wala akong klase kanina from 1 p.m. up to tomorrow. Tomorrow is holiday because Bambanti Festival. But I'm gonna be busy tomorrow so hindi ako makakapag-review kasi meron kaming training for the upcoming university games and the upcoming weeks talaga is magiging busy. Naku-culture shock ako kasi I have like a lot of subjects na major, super major talaga siya and last sem, isa lang yung subject na pinagfo-focusan ko which is super bigat niya but ngayong sem is nadagdagan siya na super mabibigat na subjects kaya naku-culture shock ako and meron akong two subjects na kailangang aralan kasi meron akong upcoming quizzes. For that, di ko talaga alam kung paano ko sisimulan and meron rin akong kailangang tapusan na assignment na ipapas bukas. I don't know if matutuloy siya kasi nag-declare na holiday. Pero I think ipapapas pa rin ni Sir yon. Maybe mamaya ko siya gawin. Yung isang subject ko which is reinforced concrete is yung last lesson namin last Tuesday. Hindi ko talaga siya magets and trinay ko siya aralin ulit nung Wednesday pero hindi ko talaga siya magets. So, itatry ko siyang aralin ulit. But for now, meron pa akong isang subject na kailangan reviewin kasi may short quiz kami next week rin, which is hydraulics. And hydraulics kasi is okay naman siya, medyo madali lang naman siyang i-gets. Pero ang problema kasi is madaming formulas na kailangang i-memorize. So, ang una kong gagawin ay susulat ng formulas, magte-take notes. Ang gusto kong gawin is ilalagay ko siya sa walls ko para if nakita ko is mai-inculcate siya sa mind ko. Kaya bumili ako kanina ng marker and bumili na rin ako ng matcha. Kasi wala talaga akong ganang simulan mag-review. I don't know why, pero ang sarap humiga and ang sarap mag-scroll and anything. Very productive ko nung first week, pero I don't know what happened this week. Maybe kasi hindi ko magets yung isang lesson sa reinforced concrete kaya parang nada-down yung sarili ko. But we need to get through this We need to pass this. We need to work talaga and try nang lang try hanggang magets.